Hey everyone, Jeremy with Pros Pick Garage here to show you our newest product. This is our floor lift kit that we've just come out with. It is designed to be a universal floor lift kit for step side and fleet side trucks. A lot of trucks now, the floors are lifting up so you can see the beautiful custom built chassis underneath and the suspension. So this kit will kind of help you with that, give you a base to start with. It comes out of our custom aluminum extrusion. This is what the frame is made with. The benefit here is it gives you a lot of flexibility to be able to adjust where you mount things and where your floor mounts. Also much stronger than standard square tubing, so it gives you that extra strength so you don't have so much flex going on. Super easy to assemble. It's all bolt together with L brackets and these stud fasteners that you're able to slide inside that channel. So this is how you tie the center cross members together, and then we've set 7 in here. Say you had 7 strips for your wood. You've got these and they're all adjustable. You can also mount many different types of flooring. Along with the floor lift kit, there'll be a few options for lifting mechanisms. You can go with a gas shock option or an electric lift option. Both of these options will come with the mounting brackets and the hardware needed to mount them to our custom aluminum extrusion frame. So with our floor lift kit, there'll also be some options for hinges. This is our hinge design. It is designed to slide into the end of the custom aluminum extrusion. It provides a nylon bushing and a hinge that would mount to the truck side. Benefit here is it rotates here nice and close to the front, so you don't have to worry about your wood overhanging too far. And also, if you bring the cover up to about 70-75 degrees, it will allow you to remove the floor from the bracket. So it's super easy to take the floor in and out, easy to install, nice simple design. If you have a different style of hinge already or you want to try to use something else, there'll be an option to buy some mounting brackets that will bolt to the custom extrusion, where you can mount your, say, a hood hinge or a different style of hinge. So there'll be some options for that as well.